Hello, in this video we will try to understand what is shallow copy and deep copy and the difference between them. So let's start with shallow copy. So what is shallow copy? Shallow copy is a copy of an object where we keep the references of the original object in the nested level, and deep copy is totally independent copy object which is independent of original object from where we are copying. Okay, so it may sound confusing a bit. Let's try to understand this concept using an example. So let's say increase the width. We have an object O, and this is our original object, and its values are, it's a list of integer values. Now let's create a copy object, and at this point this copy object value will be exactly same as original object. Now so this is same. Okay, and now let's say after this point I updated my original object to some other values. So what I will do here, so I updated this list, this list of integer value, its first object or the first item from 1 to 9. Okay, so now let's take another color. So now when I check here the C object, what should I get here? Because we have updated the original object. So okay. So here I'll get the same value what I was getting here. I'm getting same here, no difference. Okay, this is same, no difference, and this whole thing is will work exactly same here in case of deep copy also, same as shallow copy. Okay, so now we'll try to understand what's the real difference between them when we have a nested object. So let's consider a list. So original object, and it's created as a list of lists. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is a original object. Now we will create again a copy object of this, and at this point, because we are not making any changes, so it will be exactly same as original one. Okay, now after this, at this point we are changing the original object. So let's make change 1 to 9 and keep everything else same. Okay, so now again, now we will see the copy object. If we do a print statement on the copy object, what it will display. So it will display here 9. Let me first write the output, then explain. So yeah, see, in the above example, it was even after updating, it was exactly same. This was not updated in the copied, but in the same shallow copy it is same, but at this point we have updated 9 and it is reflecting here, and we are not updating copied object, shallow copy object. So that's why it is a shallow copy which keeps the reference at the nested level. Whereas if we try to apply same in case of deep copy, uh, so okay, till here it is same. Now just we'll try to understand this copy object thing, what it will display. So this copy object will actually have the same values which were present at that moment we have copied the we made that deep copy. So because it does not keep the reference, and this keeps the reference, so that's the main difference between shallow copy and deep copy. Now we'll try to understand this using one coding example. So let's do some coding. Okay, so now let's try to understand this using some coding example. So first import the copy object. So original object I'll create first same uh, this is same example. Okay, 1 2 3 at least, and create a shallow copy as copy object. Let's make a print right, just give object, and here copy. So this is how we make shallow copy object. Okay, so this is a shallow copy as copy. Okay, from name we will understand this is object means original object, as copy means shallow copy object, and d copy means deep copy object. So how we create, this is how we create deep copy object and do the print deep copy. Okay, so original object, print copying object, and now updating the original object too. So how, let's first index to 9. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just do the print statement again and again, and make a print here copied objects, and for our understanding give copied object after dating the original object. Okay, and also print original object here. So this looks good example. So this is the example for uh, without nested or just a plain list. Okay, so Okay, give a minute. Let's give, I forgot to give equal sign so that we also get the name of object. Save and run. Yeah, now it will be clear. Original object, shallow copy object, deep copy object, and this is fine. It should be like this. Okay, what I did made this a list. My mistake. Run again. Okay, so 923 original object updated. Both are exactly same. It's behaving as it is expected. So now we'll just update this only to nested example. Okay, original object copied, shallow copy object, deep copy object, fine. Here we'll update this. Okay, so what I just made it in a nested way and running it again. So original, both are same, fine. Shallow copy updated, deep copy same. You see, deep copy is independent, so we should be using deep copy for safer copying option where you don't want to get messed it up using some updation, or in future any other developer unknowingly update an object which should not been updated. Okay, and shallow copy, if you are sure that it will remain a plain list of item or plain series of item, plain array will not being nested. In that case you can go for shallow copy, or if you intentionally want it to be updated. Yeah, I hope this will be helpful for your understanding and interview rounds also.